bleeding. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go.
Hey, what's up? It's me, Kevin, and welcome to this quick review of the New Balance PROPEL V4. That was long. So let's talk about some specs real quick. This shoe has a 6mm drop, comes in a standard and a wide version. I did get mine in a wide version. Because of that, it felt really nice and snug. It was a little bit big. It's longer than my usual shoe, right about here. So width was okay, the length, I don't know, but it felt great. This one has synthetic fiber engineered upper. If you're not familiar with the fuel cell foam, this basically is their propulsion, their bounce responsive foam, as opposed to the fresh foam, which is more relaxed, slow versions of their shoe. Next is my likes about this shoe. So it actually reminds me of the Saucony Endorphin Speed because of the TPU plate right here, the gray part, and you can see it here. It propel, literally, as the name says. Because of that, I was able to run quite a few types of runs. For example, some easy pace, and then I upped the tempo a little bit. So I do have some dislikes about this shoe. So my heel almost slipped while I was running, and then quickly I laced it up as a runner's knot. But basically that fixed the problem. But it would be nice if I didn't have that kind of issue. New Balance, come on. And another thing that I didn't like was the hot spots. I think maybe it's just the temperature here in Japan. One thing that I can say, this felt like an easy ride. The TPU plate that they put here is very good, very enjoyable. For this price, I'd definitely go for this because of the TPU plate. It helps the shoe bounce and give you that nice responsiveness feeling. Not only can you run some easy runs in this, you can use this for your intervals and your tempo. The price, I think I got this for like a trial. I don't know why Amazon put it on sale. It's a new shoe, but I did get it around $75, right around 8,000 yen or more. I gotta check it. I'll put it on the screen. But for this price, whew, and that outsole, look at that. That's easily 500 or 600 kilometers. And then plus the TPU plate, it felt good, felt snug, nice and comfortable fit. Will I replace my daily trainer with this? Probably. Will I replace my Saucony Endorphin Speed with this? Yes, probably, if I need to buy one because of the price. It does the job. If you're looking for something that can do most of your runs, I recommend this shoe. It can do both training days and racing day. I really pushed this shoe to its limits, and I felt this responsiveness and the propulsion that New Balance is saying. And also, I'll be posting my review on the New Balance 1080 V12 and the new Super Comp Elite V3. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I upload that video. As always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.